Hello to you, my name is Adam Urbański. I live in Poland, in Gdańsk, and I own CARRINGTON SERWIS, which is a World War II Jeep restoration shop. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we do restore those Jeeps, and I'm going to take you by step through a restoration of 1942 Willys MB that we've just started to restore. And it's been in a rough shape. At the moment it's already in sandblaster, and we're actually gonna visit the sandblaster. His name is Karol. He's my good friend, so we'll see how it's actually being done.
So this is a grill that's already been restored because the holes for the headlamps were bigger. So we fixed it to a proper shape, and now it's going to be sandblasted again prior to painting.
So as you can see, blasting is going well. The frame is already blasted, the body would follow, also fenders and other parts. The hood is already blasted and the grille, so I'm going back to the shop with those parts. It's already dark, so I need to do more work on my Jeep trailer, Bantam T3. And it needs rust protection from underneath after restoration and painting. and then I'm gonna fill it with my collection of jerry cans and ammo boxes and 30 cal replica. So yeah, let's go back to the shop. Alright, so the trailer is ready and packed. It's now protected from rust from underneath, which you saw before. And what I did, I packed all my jerry cans, actually not all of them, but most of them, and some ammo cans and the 30 cal. So that's it for today. See you next time.